I'm Susan. I hope y'all had a very Merry Christmas, and I hope your new year will be great. Today I'm participating in the Margarete Miller Collage Challenge on week 52, the last week of the year, and I have enjoyed this so much. And I plan on doing next year's. I may be a little bit late because my prompts were in my cart when I went to get them. Margarete's on vacation till the 6th. So that's great because everybody deserves a vacation. And so I'm gonna probably be a little bit late on next week's challenge. But this week the prompts are a definition, and I've got family, postage stamp, something you are thankful for, and this is my family. And I hope it's not glaring too much. I know the picture's not so clear, but my son Caleb took this picture and it just suits us so much. We were in Gatlinburg at Ripley's Aquarium, and we were in that little tunnel where we were just surrounded by the water. And we've always enjoyed doing trips together, and this was in 2014, and we still enjoy doing trips together and just being together. And I'm very thankful for that. You don't get that very often. So, and that's also my bonus, which is a photograph. And next prompt is a pair of something. I've got shoes and a piece of coloring book page, and I've got this. So I hope you'll enjoy this video. Be sure and check out Margarete's channel, and be sure and check out the hashtag 2022 CWP52 to see what everyone else has done. So without further ado, let's get started. Well, here it is. This one was really simple. And I've got my definition of family. I've got my postage stamp, my something I'm thankful for, a pair of something, a piece of a coloring book page, and of course this is my photograph. And since this is the last week of the year, I'm just going to do a flip through. This was week 1, and I had never done collaging before, so this has been a year of learning. And we've got 2 and 3. This has been so much fun. 4 and 5. I can tell everything's just, but still it's got a beauty of its own. We've got 6. Got my sweet fur babies. And this one wasn't, this is the only one that's in here that's not Margarete Miller. And that's before I decided to dedicate this book. It's an old planner back in 2020, 2021. So I decided to dedicate this planner just to the Margarete Miller. but I'd already done this page and I couldn't tear it out. So this is week 7, week 8, 9, got 10 and 11, and this is one of my favorite pages. That's Mississippi State. Got 12 and 13. 14. This one was very busy. I'm not sure. It just everything. I just threw everything at it. We've got 15. This is another one of my favorites. 16. My sweet in-laws. 17. 18. My mama as a little girl. I love this page too. 19. 20. 21. I always thought this one was fun. 22. This is another one of my favorites. 23. 24. 25. These weeks went by so fast. 26 and 27. 28. 29. I love Fred Astaire. 30 and 31. 32 and 33. 34, 35. 36. 37. 38. 39. And my little hidden paper clip. 40. 41. 42, my love of coffee. 43. 44. 45. 46. 47. 48. The red, I love it. 49. I still love that kid. 50. Last week's 51 and 52. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Be sure and check out Margarete Miller's channel, and be sure and check out the hashtag 2022CWP52. I hope y'all have a great and wonderful week. And until next time, bye y'all.